Alright, let's talk about the isomorphic string. So you're given two strings S and T, determine if they are isomorphic. So you're given two strings if they have the same pattern. So when I say the same pattern, this will just basically based on the string character. So if a pattern is actually 0, 1, 1 for the S, and the T has to be 0, 1, 1, right? And if a pattern is 0, 1, 1 for the full, and T is actually 0, 1, 2. For each different character, they do not match with the other, so it's 0, 1, 2. And this is 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, right? So this one is 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, right? So this one and this one are the same pattern, and this one are the same pattern. So they will return true, and this will return false. So if you notice, I'm using an integer to represent, right? So for each different for each different string, I will have an array, and I will have to assign a character for that position, and then I will just say, okay, this is going to be index 0, right? And then when I assign, I don't want to touch anymore, right? And if they are not assigned, I will assign, and they will just have to compare. So this will it will become 0, and this is C will become 0. And then when you find out C and A, you need to know the value for the in array has to be the same. So let me start doing this. So I will have integer C1 equal to new integer 256, the size of the ASCII table, right? C2 equal to new integer 256. And then for in I equal to 0, I less than s.length, and then I plus plus. I'm using the s.length because t.length is equal to s.length. And I need to say char for the current word for s.char ai character, to be honest. W2 equal to t.char ai. And then I will have to assign. So if C1 W1 is actually equal to null, which is not assigned, I need to know that this is assigned to position I, and also C2 W2 is not null. I will have to assign C2 W2 equal to I. Right. So now this is the problem. I need to making sure they have the same index, right? So I will say if C1 W1 does not equal C2 W2, you will return false, and this will return true at the end. So this is pretty much it, right? So you basically understand what happened using the integer array, not the int, because if you use int, the default value is actually equal to 0, and the index 0 could be this, right? Could be this as well. So just making sure you know integer and using null. Alright, let's talk about time and space. The list is going to be a space, all of them, even though you have two array. 2 times n is 2n. Then for the big O notation is all of them, and this is going to be time, all of them, traverse every single character in the string S and T at the same time. And this is the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.